gentlemen, we are still clearing land. We have RHF Landworks out here. We've got a 97 horsepower Kubota with a drum mulcher on it. They have already cleared, as you can see here. I'll zoom out a little bit. You can see they've already cleared out a lot of this area. This is the last patch before we put up fencing so we can run sheep. We'll get this all raked up when he's done and plant some ryegrass. Loving it. Love watching these machines work. They absolutely just eat up everything. Once again, super happy. Love getting land cleared. Love watching these machines work. All right, well, we'll talk to you later.